Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today, we're working on a very interesting little build here. It looks like a VW style van with a floor arrangement on top. Not sure what's going on there. Not sure who thought of that, but the build just looks fun enough to me. I think it should be entertaining. Hopefully, all the pieces will be there. I've done 2 brick kits lately from Temu, which is where this one came from as well, and I've had to stop short ways in with significant loss of pieces, so they weren't just cosmetic, they were structural, so I had to stop, unfortunately. I was very disappointed. Hopefully this one will disappoint me here. Let's see if we can get her opened up here so you can take a look inside. Okay. First of interest is whether they're Lego style or Lego size bricks or not, and they appear to be. And the bags appear to be numbered. That's always encouraging. Alright, let's take a look at the instructions here. Nice booklet format. It's a pretty thin book, and it does have all the bricks in the front there. That's useful for trying to find if there's only one type of brick. Sometimes it can be kind of hard to find in the pile, so it helps to know how many there are to look for in there. The colors look pretty easy as far as following them along and assembling. There are 22 pages. It looks like 200, or it's hard to say how many steps there are because they're organized in bags as well. But it should be a pretty quick build, I suspect, and we'll do that on camera for you, and away we go. Okay, we got her all done. It's a pretty cute, I guess, looking thing. A little, odd to have a giant atrium going on the top of it. The lid wants to, or the head top wants to be a little bit difficult to get down on there, but we mostly got it there. The front, or the side things open up, so you can see inside there. Maybe if we have a little bit more light, we might be able to. One sec here. There we go. Alright, there, hopefully you can see inside there now. Also has a door on the back, let even more light in. And nice wheels, nice rubbery wheels. They rotate quite nicely. And there's no doors that open up otherwise, other than these guys here. But for a Lego size contraption, I think it's pretty nice. You can go ahead and take the plants off the top and see inside as well. So it's got a little TV for the occupants to watch. You got some shelves and look like maybe some cupboards there. You got a sink, and yeah, driving. We got looks like a stick shift on the floor there, and I'm not sure what those are supposed to be. Maybe drinks for for the drive. It has maybe it looks supposed to be a bed, I guess, there, and maybe a table here to sit at. And okay, I mean, it was fun to build. It's pretty quick to build. And I did have one trouble with the plants on top. I was placing one of these in there, and it was being tough, and then I pushed on it, and it just blew the whole thing off the top, so I had to redo it all. But other than that, I mean, it was fun to build. This was a pretty good kit from Temu, I would say. It didn't cost much, so if this interests you, I think it's worth buying. If you like a car with a lot of flowers coming out of the top. Alright, well, thanks for watching Stallone's Reviews. Please hit that like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. $3 a month to get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 help you decide what to love making next. Thanks again for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.